we're going to make a banana split. So get ready. Everybody, I am doing a mold series, okay? And in that you'll see how I made these bananas from a mold. Oh my gosh, I am so excited about this. So we're going to put our bananas, you know what I think I'm going to do? We're going to leave our bananas out first, and we're going to get our ice cream ready, all right? I have the whipped cream that I used when we made our sundaes, and I just put it in a Ziploc to show you that it is still usable, okay? So we've got our whipped cream. I've got my toppings. Bella's drinking, good. And now we're going to make our vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry ice cream for the banana split. I've got the vanilla ready. I'm going to make the strawberry. More so you can see. And let's see. Let's get the container for this. This will be our chocolate. And I'm using the lightweight spackle for this. And the colors are bubblegum from Americana and sable brown from Americana. And I used a little bit of the pale ivory from Craft Smart for the vanilla. Alright, so let's get our lightweight spackle. I'm opening a new container. First time you open these, oh, they're so hard. Brand new. Alright, so let's get our spoon. Let's get our spackle. And I'm just almost positive it's going to be too soft. So I'm going to probably use, I'm going to try and cornstarch this time and see how that works. Okay, put your lid right back on this because this dries out relatively quickly, and you don't want that to happen. If I need more, I can always go back in. Okay, so first let's mix our chocolate. And this container was a walnut. I got walnuts in this, and it had a good lid, so I thought, oh good, I'll keep it for my faux series. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead off camera and just mix these colors, and I'll be back. Okay, everybody, we are going to put together our banana split. And what I'm doing is I'm making some chocolate sauce. So I took the caulking from the Dollar Tree, okay, for $1, and this works pretty good, you guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mix a little bit of our burnt umber acrylic paint to the caulking. And I cut down the cup because I didn't want to lose this going up the cup. You know what I mean? I just want a very little way for this to have to go, if that makes sense. Alright, so we got that mixed up. Okay? Alright. So put that to the side. Let's get our whipped cream ready, and this is the spackle and the acrylic paint that I used for our other milkshake and sundae that we did. So I got that ready. Okay. Okay, so here we are. We have our ice cream, our spackle, mixed with acrylic paint, and I put flour and cornstarch. We have our faux bananas, which I'm doing a video on making these and other fruits. So let's put scoop of vanilla for the most part. Perfect. Okay, now I have to wash out the scoop because I don't want to get the vanilla mixed in with the strawberry. Get over just a little bit. And just a little bit more room. A little more room for my strawberry. Scoop. Well, let's put our chocolate hands are clean so I can show you guys. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to drizzle a little bit of the chocolate You wouldn't have to do this at all if you didn't want to, okay? That's totally up to you. All right, now let's put our whipped cream. Okay. I want a little bit more. Then I need to see, do I want cherries or do I want strawberries? Do I want both? I think the cherries. Okay, now you could add, if you had the faux nuts, I can't find them. You could add sprinkles. You could do whatever you want with it. Okay guys, I wanted to show you the banana split. How adorable is that, you guys? Oh my gosh. This series is so much fun. I hope that you're enjoying it as well, and I hope that you'll try this. Very inexpensive. Once you have the molds, like I said, you could make your scoops of ice cream out of the shampoo and cornstarch. These are made out of the lightweight spackle acrylic and cornstarch with a little bit of flour. And the plaster of Paris with the banana mold made the banana split. So guys, I hope that you liked this sweet treat, and I will be back with another shortly. Remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon, guys. Bye.